Assalamualaikum, how are you all? Today we are making very delicious recipe which is Turkish sandwich, and it is very nice recipe. I hope you will follow it up. Let's start. So you will need 2 chicken breast pieces and 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, salt according to your taste, some black pepper. Now mix it well together. It will look something like that. Our marination is done. This is the bread that I'm going to use. Here are some more ingredients: hot sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, and some salad. Now take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of ketchup, some red chili flakes. Now mix well. And now you can see here our another sauce is ready. Now take a grilling pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated chicken in and fry it. So this is another sauce that I made. I made it with dark soy sauce, the normal one, and the second one is sweet soy sauce. Now take out the bread and cut it from middle like this. Now spread the sauce that we made earlier, and the second bread we are going to spread the mayonnaise. And here are some vegetables, that salad that we showed you earlier. Add some lettuce leaves and some chopped lettuce. Now add some tomatoes and some cucumbers. After that you can add some mozzarella cheese to spread it over. Now add the chickens that we're frying on the grill pan. Over the chicken add the rest of the sauce. After some dressing you can see. Now more I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. You can see how tasty it looks, but it is not ready yet. So now we are just going to apply some butter over the bread so that it can be baked nicely. Like this. Now put it over a fry pan and cover it with the help of a big utensil. Now after that, your recipe is ready. You can see how tasty it looks. Everything is melted inside, including the cheese and everything. And it tastes so good. This recipe is a must try. I hope you will try it out and give a taste to your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.